What's going on, fellas? It's your boy Darian, the Bowtie Fragrance Guy, man. I cover fashion on this channel. I cover primarily fragrances, and I get into just a little bit of lifestyle content as well. So, man, if any of that stuff is interesting to you, if you want to learn more about, get some fashion tips, learn more about fragrances, I hope you consider subscribing to the channel. And if you do that, make sure you hit the bell icon as well to ensure you get notified anytime I upload new content on this channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different, guys. I got a box in the mail today. It's a big box, and I want to unbox this with you guys. This is a little bit different. It's not a fragrance, although I will briefly talk about a new fragrance that I did receive from Boadicea The Victorious. This one is called Blue Sapphire, and I will tell you right now, it is as good as advertised. So I'm going to talk about that briefly, but this video is mainly about what I have in this box. One of the things that I talk about on this channel, that I try to talk about on this channel, is just being the best version of yourself every day. And with that being said, guys, being the best version of yourself, to me, it really includes working hard. It includes working hard. And with that, I believe that sometimes you really have to do something for yourselves. Now, of course, I'm all about being responsible. I'm all about family and making sure my family is well taken care of. But by that same token, sometimes when you work hard, they say you play hard. And so I want to unbox something. I got this new sweater. We know it's fall time. It's the fall season. I got a new sweater from Louis Vuitton. It is the monogram. It's a gradient monogram sweater. It's a black. I like to wear a lot of black when I go casual. And I bought this sweater because I just want to do something for myself, man. You know, I wanted it for a while. I think it was in the fall 2020 collection, if I'm not mistaken. And I wanted it ever since I laid eyes on it. But whenever I would go to look on the website, it would not be available. I've called before. Spoken to customer service, and it's been out of stock. So anyway, as you guys can see, it's late. I'm dressed down, so I don't want to talk and go on too much. So I'm gonna run the intro really quick, and then we're gonna get into the unboxing of this sweater, and we're also gonna talk a little bit about Blue Sapphire from Boadicea The Victorious. So you know how we do, you know how we get down. If you want to see my thoughts and check out this new sweater, then you know the routine, man. Keep it locked right here.
The Bowtie Fragrance Guy.
All right, guys, we're back. Thank you so much for keeping it locked in. Let's go ahead and get right into it, man. This box required a signature. So this is the inside of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and I want you guys to see this here, man. This is the inside of the box. All right. So we have that. Take it out. Now there's also here's the, I guess the receipt is in here. Let me check. Yep, that's what's in here. Yep, so it just says thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Exchange policy, and I guess this is the shipping stuff. So that's in there. So let's put that aside. This is the receipt actually. It comes in this little thing here. So anyway, I'll stick that back in there, guys. I really don't want to mess up this presentation. This is so nice. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it comes in the box with this nice ribbon on it. So Really nice presentation. So I am going to undo this. I may tie it back up after I unbox it with you guys. But let's go ahead and get it out of the box. And later on, I'm going to do a full try on. So I'll actually try this on and let you guys see how it fits in the whole nine. All right, so here we go. It's wrapped very nicely, of course. And I'm just gonna slide it out. Guys, this is what the sweater looks like, man. This is really dope. Like I said, I love black, and it's a nice gradient. So it goes from the top down. It's like a light. The actual Louis Vuitton print is very light at the top, and as it goes down, it becomes more visible. And it looks really good on. I've seen it, of course, in pictures in the whole nine. And I'm actually, as I said again, I'm gonna actually do a video where I actually try this on and let you guys see how it fits. But you know, presentation is nice. I want to make sure I do this with you guys live on camera here. So I'm gonna be rocking that this winter and fall. I don't do a whole lot of designer stuff. But when I have a few items, a few things from Gucci, a few things from Louis Vuitton, a few things from Tom Ford. But other than that, I don't do a whole lot with the high-end designer stuff. But I've been wanting this sweater for a while, so I wanted to go ahead and unbox this. I think it retails for about maybe $12.50, something like that. But just want to do something for myself. So here's that. Now, this fragrance, Blue Sapphire from Boadicea The Victorious. This is as good as advertised, guys. I had a sample of it when I purchased another fragrance from Beverly Hills Perfumery. This was one of the samples that I was sent. I heard a lot about it, and like I said, this thing is as good as advertised, man. This is what the bottle looks like. It's beautiful, man. It's 14 karat gold plated on the front. And again, I'm not gonna get really into the specifics because I don't want to do a full review of this, but the fragrance is gorgeous. You have a nice, beautiful, juicy orange, kind of citrus opening. Of course, you have rose and oud in here, some nice florals in the heart. Like, I don't have the notes here, but I've sprayed it on my hand earlier. This is beautiful. This is just, it's just really hard for me to tell you how good this stuff is, but it is as good as advertised. And like I said, I'm gonna do a full review of this. I think this one retails for about 900 bucks. So definitely get a sample of it if you like rose and oud. I'm sure you like it, although this is different from any rose oud I've ever smelled. The florals in here and that orange, nice juicy orange citrus opening is just different. That's the best way for me to describe it, because you know I'm a rose oud lover. But this is something really different, and this is something special, man. So again, guys, I'm gonna be coming back and doing a full review of this. And again, it's called Blue Sapphire. And I'm also gonna do a video where I actually show you guys how I rock that sweater. And I'm actually gonna show you on that same video what fragrance I would pair with it, you know? So that should be fun. But I just wanna do something different, guys. I got both of these packages on the same day. So just want to do something a little bit different. Again, I talked about fragrance and fashion. I talked about both on this video. But anyway, it's late, so I'm gonna go and get some rest. But as I always say, man, I appreciate you guys that supported the channel. Appreciate you taking the time to watch the videos, share the videos out, and the whole nine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I will catch you on the flip side. Peace.